Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures. So today we have a little bit of a different intro, as you guys can see. It is because I messed up the intro to this video when we actually recorded it. We didn't realize it at first, and then I saw what happened, and I was like, oh man, I messed up. So that being said, this doesn't change the quality of our video. This doesn't change what's happening today. We are actually going to be taking you on the adventure to see all of the roller coasters that are available at Silver Dollar City to ride. This is for all riders and anybody that could get on it that are able to ride. We will be starting off with Outlaw Run, the one roller coaster that Ash and I don't really ride while we are there because it is a wooden coaster. We aren't really big fans of wooden coasters, especially me. Too much rattling and stuff happening there. So, personally, we really like all the coasters that Silver Dollar City has to offer. We have both ridden Outlaw Run. This gives us terrible headaches. So we choose not to ride it so that we can enjoy our time there. But that does not mean that it is not a quality coaster. It is a great coaster, one-of-a-kind wooden coaster that does have a corkscrew in it, which is kind of wild to me. And it has a 90-foot drop. Nuts. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we will just jump right into it. So come with us. Silver Dollar City has 7 roller coasters in their repertoire of roller coasters. They are Outlaw Run, the Grand Exposition Coaster, Time Traveler, Thunderation, Wildfire, Powder Keg, and Fire in the Hole. And so we are, and with one on the way, which will make 8 coasters. But as we know, Fire in the Hole is on its last season, so that will be the end of that, so that Silver Dollar City will still have 7. And our first stop is going to be Outlaw Run. And as you can see, there is Outlaw Run climbing the coaster, or the lift hill, and then it's going to drop it down, and it's going to make a slight left turn before it goes on down the 82-degree drop. This coaster was built by Rocky Mountain Construction. Apparently they are a coaster company. So they also want to let you know that it does have a lap bar restraint. It does not go over the shoulder. And we're going to walk over here and we'll give you a shot of how the ride finishes, and then we will move on to our next coaster. That is how the Outlaw Run comes to an end right there on its end, on the end of the ride. So we are going to head over to the Grand Exposition and show you guys the Grand Exposition coaster. See you guys when we get to the Grand Exposition.
Alright, so on the way to the Grand Exposition, we are passing that 8th coaster that we talked about that is coming in soon. Silver Dollar City hasn't announced anything, however we all know that there's a coaster in that building. So we're really excited to see what happens with it.
So we have made it over here to the Grand Exposition coaster, and it is created by Zamperla of Italy. It is young and old alike. It has electromechanical rail coaster, dips, turns, and flies 20 feet in the air along the 20-foot track at speeds up to 20 miles an hour. You want to ride again and again. And as we've noticed, it takes 3 laps around, and it is a great introductory coaster to those future thrill seekers that you may have in your family. So we're going to move on to our favorite coaster, and that's going to be Time Traveler. So we will see you over at Time Traveler. So our next ride, that coaster that we're going to talk about, is Time Traveler. As you can see, it dips and dives through the small hills in that little holler there here at Silver Dollar City, and it comes into a pause right here, and it's going to stop for a second, count it out, and then some magnets, as you can see the little white spots that are on the track there, are going to send it on a 70-mile-an-hour launch shoot it up and over. And as you can see, the carts also have a spin that is uncontrolled by the rider. It has an inversion as well. This ride was put together by Mark Rides and some engineers that are in-house here at Silver Dollar City. We absolutely love this ride. It's a one-of-a-kind ride in our opinion. And here we go. We got another acceleration point right there to send it up and over, and it clears up around. And the station right there is that building right up there up top. The $26 million record-breaking time traveler has 3 inversions, the most ever on a spinning coaster. Has a 95-foot tall vertical loop, and that's right there. And 2 launches that send riders at unprecedented speeds. It's a revolutionary coaster ahead of our time and defies the laws of gravity, breaks speed barriers, and makes history while challenging the dreamer and all of us to dream big and do good. I apologize about saying 70 miles an hour. It is actually 50.3 miles per hour. It has a 10-story, 90-degree vertical drop, and as you can see, there's another car dropping out of there, and that's that drop right there. That is so intense because you go down sideways in your car. So anyway, that being said, we're going to go to one of the older coasters that is here, Thunderation, and it is right next door to the Time Traveler. And we will show you something pretty neat about the entrance of the Time Traveler ride when we get there, as it has a very nice aesthetic. And also, there is a Young Christian Weekend gathering going on, and that is what is happening below us here at the Arvest Theater. But we thought that this would be a better view for you guys to see the full Time Traveler coaster. So anyway, we will see you over at the entrance to Time Traveler and Thunderation. So here is that aesthetic I was talking about outside of the entrance of Time Traveler. That is a working clock, and as you can see, it's a little bit past 1. And the Thunderation entrance is actually right down here to the left. So we're going to walk down here, and we're going to show you how this ride goes. So this is the best shot that we're going to be able to get you of Thunderation, of it coming out of its station. And as it comes out, it takes a right turn and goes down the hill. It is a mine train themed coaster. It is made by Aerodynamics, and it opened here in Silver Dollar City in 1993. It says to rumble through the treetops on a runaway mine train. It's an 81-foot tall high-speed coaster with a scenic view of the Ozarks. The train begins its journey propelled by gravity until cars reach the coaster's only lift. The lift carries passengers to 121 feet into the air before dropping them 81 feet at speeds up to 48 miles an hour. The runaway mine train takes a spiraling drop and races through an underground tunnel before returning to the loading station. The ride is a lap bar ride, and very fun ride. It was my first coaster here at Silver Dollar City, and we're gonna wait until here comes the ride train now. And as you can see, it looks like a train in the front, and everybody is getting ready to roll. There they go. That sounds so smooth. So anyway, we are going to head to our next coaster, which is going to be Wildfire. So we'll see you guys over at Wildfire. All right, we've made it over here to Wildfire, and as you can see, there is a train headed up there. The ride is made by Bolliger and Mabillard. It is the same people who have built the roller coaster, The Incredible Hulk, at Universal Studios. Hence the little Cobra's head that is this type of turn right here on the coaster. This is one of our favorite rides also. I like The Incredible Hulk quite a bit, but Wildfire is also fun. It is not as intense. It does not take off as fast as The Incredible Hulk. We're about to see this train come up and over this Cobra hood here in a minute. The ride was put in here in 2001. I'm not sure if I said that before or not. Here it comes up and over. Look at those guys go. That looks like a ton of fun. So excited. It is a high-flying, multi-looping, cobra rolling coaster that will leave you breathless, traveling at speeds up to 66 miles per hour. It features a vertical drop of 15 stories followed by 5 inversions, including a full loop, cobra roll like I just showed you, a corkscrew, and high-speed spiral. Get ready to fly. And as you can see, it gives you a beautiful view out there of the lake and some condos and just the Ozark Mountains countryside. How beautiful is that? I will tell you this. All of the green has not come in yet at the time of this video. It is beautiful when it is green. It is beautiful when it is fall. And if you really want a great view, that nice little turn right up there turns you, faces you out to all of this, and you can go, oh, pretty, and then scream your head off through the loops and turns of Wildfire. So we highly recommend this coaster to any of you thrill riders. And there is an eagle flying right out there. It looks like one anyway. Not sure. Oh, nope, I guess it's a hawk. But still, it's having its little flying day out there. Anyway, we're going to head over to the Powder Keg roller coaster, and we will see you guys when we get over there. Alright, we have made it up here to Powder Keg, and this is made by S&S Sansei Technologies. It came into fruition here at Silver Dollar City in 2005. It is a switch track coaster, which is what you are seeing right now as it loads the cars up into the launch station. Okay, we will see you over here on the other side of the launch station. But actually, we're going to just walk through here like this. We're going to talk about things, and it gives a nice little like discussion of the ride. As you can see, can you spell spoke? It is going to launch this coaster. Yep, you can hear all of that right there. I believe this used to shoot out fire at one point. As you can see, the coaster train is rocking back. It shoots you from 0 to 53 miles an hour at 2.8 seconds. And takes you up the hill like so. It combines the shocking speed of the compressed air launch with spiral turns, negative gravitation or G-forces, and floater hills at speeds of up to 64 miles per hour. After the initial blast of speed, the 110-foot drop, riders soared through the trees over 6 acres of 3,500 feet of track for a truly wild ride experience. It also salutes the miners who worked in the Great Marble Cave, which is located below the theme park in the late 1880s. So, that being said, there are no inversions on this ride, and it's actually one of, for not having an inversion, it is one of the rides that I actually enjoy here. So that is our 6th ride here, our 6th coaster that we've shown you. So we are going to go on to the 7th and final ride of our Silver Dollar City coaster discussion, and that is Fire in the Hole, which is right on over the hill. See you there. We have made it here to Fire in the Hole. It is the world's first indoor coaster, and it was put together by Hershon Family Entertainment, and that is, ironically, the people who own Silver Dollar City and Dollywood. I will tell you that Fire in the Hole is not a one-of-a-kind coaster. Unfortunately, there is a coaster in Dollywood called Blazing Fury, which many of you know, and it is Fire Company number 2. This one says number 1, and at the timing of this video, this is the last season for Fire in the Hole. It is a wonderful ride, a staple here at Silver Dollar City, and there are many fans sad to see it go. And as you can see, the entire line is just maxed out and around the corner over there. But the ride takes like 3 minutes long. It dips and dives you into the dark through different scenes, and is famous for Red Flanders, get in here and get your pants back on. And he said that he ain't got no pants, the bald knobbers stole them. That being said, it also drops you in, screams Fire in the Hole as you drop down into a drop that takes you into water at the end, and it takes you back to the launch station. So anyway, we are going to finish this up, and we will talk to you guys here in a minute. All right, so that is all of the coasters that are available at Silver Dollar City And we really hope that you guys enjoyed all of the coasters and all of the stories that we had to share for those coasters. We really enjoy what Silver Dollar City has to offer for the small park in the Ozarks that it is. It is actually rather nice. Some of the coasters that they have and the thrills that they can provide for you. And you can ride all of these coasters in a day, personally. I may have to make that a challenge or something one day. Might have to get out there and get on some coaster riding. Know what I mean? But anyway, that being said, if you guys want to keep up with all of our theme park videos, news, and adventures, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification button so you guys don't miss any of that. And don't forget that we're always here for any of your guys' information through Instagram and even on YouTube. We will answer questions, and don't forget to just comment below about what you think about the coasters as well. So anyway, like I said, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and
Oh, mercy, bring on the next adventure.